Hello and welcome to One-on-One TV, the #1 channel for latest news and celebrities gossip. Mr Macaroni is among the new generation of comedians that are currently rocking Nigeria, among the likes of Sydney Tucker, Brother Shaggy, etc. He started his career as an actor and featured in few movies before switching to comedy.
You get 4 days to fund my money.
According to him, anytime he will go on Instagram, he will see people like Maraji and Brother Shaggy posting online skits and getting thousands of views, and people were enjoying. That was when he decided to pause movies and venture into comedy skits and began playing the character of an old school teacher.
Hello, you are the one disturbing my daughter, eh?
Easy, man, easy, you know what I'm saying?
But the real reason why many people love Mr Macaroni so much is not just because of his funny comedy skits, but because of his activism. During the recent protests against police brutality in Nigeria, Mr Macaroni stood by the people. He did not do like other celebrities who just posted 1 or 2 messages online and moved on with their daily activities. Nope. Mr Macaroni actually went on the ground, chanting and protesting with the masses.
We are not here for politics, we are not here for violence. Effective as I speak, the 72 hours protest that we embarked on has come to an end.
On February 13, 2021, Mr Macaroni was arrested by police for joining the protest against the reopening of the Lekki toll gate.
Put your face for down. Put your face for down. Put your face for down. Are you a musician? Hey, you will tattoo. Huh? This man, go join that one for Mr Macaroni. Go join them there.
After his arrest, millions of Nigerians started the hashtag Free Mr Macaroni, demanding for his release. What could have tarnished his image forever rather became his strength. He became more popular and more loved after his release.
I want to thank everyone out there, for speaking up. I want to thank everyone for the show of love. My phones are bad, so I can't even really take calls or reply messages and all that. But I'm here. I'm in my house. I'm okay. Not like, don't be saying I'm in brave fast, so you understand. No, don't be saying I brave. In fact, I was scared. I was very scared. I didn't want to go out at all. My father called me. All my siblings, my family members, everyone called me. My friends, don't go out, don't go out. But the only reason I went there is because I knew that people would be there. And in good conscience,
Now Nigerians know they can count on Mr Macaroni when it comes to social justice. He's one of the few ones out there who stands for the people. When it comes to his private life, we don't know much about him, apart from the fact that he is a virgin. Yeah, during his interview with Punch, he revealed that he was still a virgin. Ladies, you heard it right. Holla at your boy. Thank you for watching, and check out our channel One-on-One TV for the best comedy news. If you love Mr Macaroni, you will love Mina. She's the host of our daily comedy news show, Aproko. Check it out.
Mrs. Anita, they're supposed to award you Madam Toto of the Year. Because it means anything feel high for that place. Hey, my people, now they see. This woman, when they talk, say she come all the way from Brazil. Say this woman even, in fact, she get her own business where she they do. She they do her legit work. Where we say she they sell African food stuff for that.